This is SAP Budget Planner. It helps you keep a track of your expenses in terms of how much you're spending and what is the amount of quantities that you are buying in. But not only that, it helps you do the analysis of your expenditure. While doing the analysis, you can actually do a monthly analysis or an yearly analysis or a product-wise expenditure details, maybe price, maybe units. But what then? It actually keeps a track of your expenditure yearly, right? So it helps you analyze your expenditure pattern and then predict for future so that you can actually cut down your resources and take the respective measures from today onwards. Then it helps you explore your neighborhood in terms of neighborhood country or neighborhood city or neighborhood shop, so that you are actually benefiting maximum out of it. And then it's for notification. You can configure your personalized notification as timely analysis or timely configuration. Now we'll log into the application. The application is mobile come desktop application. We will log in as a user, say a budget planner. This application is for any person. Any person, say a country, can utilize to organize its own assets, say assets related to infrastructure or food or any other organization, or it can be for a common man. Common man, say housewives for their regular everyday budgeting, which can be sometimes a tedious job to keep a track of how much they're spending in groceries, vegetables, or food, or clothes, and stuff like that. And for us, we are starting for a businessman scenario wherein he needs for his store, pharmaceutical store, which he is as of now starting up. So for that, we'll make a taxonomy. A taxonomy would be then for he buys, say, for example, a B complex tablet. Then he gives other details. Vitamin tablets. So he has spent all the details. Threshold maybe for if he exceeds this threshold, notification would be coming to him. Units can be in what, how much he's purchasing and what units, the kilogram liters for us because they are medicines. So he would be writing units. Now, once he has done that, he has created his term successfully. He would enter his billing details. So he would enter the details. Say he needs to buy from the complex 100 units he's buying. Per unit price is 100 in INR currency. Today he is buying in. Location is Bangalore. And comment anything which he deems fit. And hit submit. Once you select submit, the expense is added. Going on to the overview, which shows the details of what all things he has purchased in details. So he can actually see how much he has purchased in. For timely purpose, we had actually populated some data which he would be buying in. So all the details are mentioned. When did he buy? Why? Where did he buy? Analyzing the information, it can be a monthly analysis saying which month he's buying in which year. So it's selecting it. So he's buying so much in 2012, 2013, and 2014. If he wouldn't buy, it would be a blank. Yearly analysis and product wise analysis. So now he will go for the analysis tab. In the analysis tab, uh, seeing the B complex thing. So he's bought 0.28% of the B complex, and then going on yearly analysis, and then going on it can be a product wise analysis. So seeing where is B complex, we can see here is B complex. He has bought in 10,000 rupees of B complex. Going to the main page, we have something as prediction, predicting for the future. So say he is spending so much in 2012, 13, and 14, how much he would be spending in 2024, and also based on the quantity, how much units would he buy in for different medicines. Going on to the main page, we have something as maths. Prediction helps you to analyze the based on the historical data how much would you be spending in future. Maps is like you see your maps. As of now, you are in Karnataka. Going on, you can actually see how much in different parts of the country are spending in medicines that you are buying in. Here we selected Germany, in which this much amount was spent. and other such places. Now, what do we have is something as notification, which allows you to get a timely report. Timely report, if you send, say you have configured for a monthly report, but if you now want to generate a report, if you select send report, an email is sent to you, you can see the email, which is nothing but this thing. So you have an Excel downloaded, which you can analyze. So this was all our app, which is SAP Budget Planner, which allows you to do a budgeting. But we have some future enhancements. Future enhancements. As we now saw, we are recording our data, like putting our billing details. So we would in future have a scanning of details. The maps actually analyze your details, your data, how much you are spending. But we can actually enhance the application for privacy related details and other such enhancements for the application. So one such application which allows you to do budgeting, planning for future, seeing related nearby data and stuff like that. Thank you.